As you all know, there are 5 short vowels in English and their sound is eh, eh, e, o, o. But in some words they don't want to give their own sound. That time they gives a lazy sound schwa. You know why we called it lazy? Because your mouth barely has to open to make the sound. When your mouth makes a schwa sound, it's the easiest sound for your mouth. Schwa sounds like short U. Uh, uh, uh. A schwa is represented by an upside down letter E. When a schwa sound is written in a pronunciation guide, it's look like this. All English vowels have a schwa sound. Take a look, for example. Adept, ago, alone, atlas, human, camel, item, the, elephant, problem, cousin, pencil, animal, easily, difficult, bottom, brother, carrot, lemon, reason, album, campus, focus, support, upon.